also like Jesus. Amen? Like Christ, we are called not to be proud or selfish, but to be humble and serve others.
Amen.
Did you serve others, my dear brothers and sisters? We try. That's why we're here, to serve one another.
Amen.
So start from now on, my dear brothers and sisters. Find someone to help. Find someone to outreach. The last time that I came here, it's a lot. I saw not sitting in here. Where are they anyway? Sabi nyo, hinahanap ko sila, namimiss ko po sila. Okay? Try, my dear brothers and sisters, to proclaim, invite more people. Because we never know, we don't know when God's come. Sabi nga, like a thief, no one knows when God's coming. Amen? Okay. So, like Christ, my dear brothers and sisters, we are called not to be proud or selfish, but to be humble and serve others.
Amen.
Sabi nga po sa Matthew 23 verse 11, the greatest among you must be your servant. So kailangan din po tayong maging obedient din po. Obedience and